ChatGPT is an AI language model designed to simplify your life. Whether you need to draft an email, summarize a long text, or even brainstorm new ideas, ChatGPT can handle it all. Imagine cutting your workload in half just by typing a few words. ChatGPT is powered by advanced language processing and trained on a diverse range of information. This means it understands context and nuances, making it incredibly versatile. Simply type your request and ChatGPT gets to work, providing clear and concise responses almost instantly. It's like having a personal assistant available 24/7, ready to tackle any challenge you throw its way. It's like having a genius assistant right in your pocket. Imagine this: drafting emails in seconds, brainstorming ideas on the fly, summarizing long reports, or answering your burning questions, all through simple text prompts. Sounds pretty great, right? Need help with your next big project? ChatGPT's got your back. Want to learn something new? It's like having a personal tutor at your fingertips. It's not just about saving time, it's about boosting creativity and making your workflow smoother and more efficient. And the best part, no fancy setup required. Just start typing and you're good to go. So why not level up your productivity game? How do we craft these magical prompts? Think of it like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients in the right amounts. We've got 6 key ingredients for a killer ChatGPT prompt: task, context, exemplar, persona, format, and tone. First up, the task. This is where you tell ChatGPT what you want it to. Think of it like giving directions. Go to the store is pretty vague, but go to the store on Main Street, buy a loaf of sourdough bread, and be back by 5 p.m. Now that's a clear task. Write a story. Write a short, humorous story about a squirrel who thinks he's a pirate. See the difference? Next, context. This is the background information ChatGPT needs to understand your request. It's like setting the scene for a movie. Write a poem about love. Write a poem about the bittersweet feeling of reminiscing about a past love while walking through a familiar park in autumn. See how much richer the second prompt is? We've given ChatGPT so much to work with. Exemplar, show, don't just tell. Exemplar is a fancy way of saying show and tell. Give ChatGPT an example of the style, tone, or format you're looking for. Write a product description. Write a product description for a new brand of coffee, similar in style to how Full Coffee describes their blends. By providing an example, you give ChatGPT a clear template to follow. Persona, format, and tone, adding flair to your requests. Finally, let's talk about persona, format, and tone. These are the elements that add personality and style to your prompts. Do you want ChatGPT to respond as a historian, a comedian, or a 5-year-old? Do you want a poem, a script, or a bullet point list? Should it be formal, casual, or humorous? Tell me about the history of pizza. You are a food blogger known for your witty and engaging style. Write a blog post about the surprising history of pizza using headings, subheadings, and bullet points. By being specific about your desired persona, format, and tone, you'll get responses that are not only accurate, but also engaging and entertaining. And lastly, avoid multiple questions in one prompt. Keep it focused for the clearest answers. Recap. Be specific, provide context, define a task, specify format, set the tone, and avoid multiple questions. Practice these techniques to get the best possible results from ChatGPT. Happy prompting.